Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, speakers, M.2 solid-state drives, thermal module, DC-in module, motherboard, CU plate, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Peel back the grounding tape that secures the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.